Russia launched its first moon landing spacecraft in 47 years on Friday. In doing so, it's joined the race to become the first nation to make a soft landing on the lunar South Pole. That's a region believed by scientists at NASA and other space agencies to hold coveted pockets of water ice in its shadowed craters. Rough terrain makes landing there difficult, but the prize of discovering water ice could be historic. The Russian mission is competing against India, which launched its own lunar lander last month.
Plus 5 seconds.
It's also up against China and the United States, which also have advanced exploration programs. A Soyuz 2.1 rocket carrying the Lunar 25 craft blasted off from the Vostochny cosmodrome before being boosted out of Earth's orbit toward the moon over an hour later. It's expected to touch down on the moon later this month. There's much riding on this mission. The Kremlin says the West's sanctions over the Ukraine war, many of which have targeted Moscow's aerospace sector, have failed to cripple the Russian economy. But the moonshot will test the nation's growing independence in space. Its invasion of Ukraine has severed nearly all of Moscow's space ties with the West, beside its integral role on the International Space Station. The European Space Agency had planned to test its Pilot D navigation camera by attaching it to Luna 25, but also cut ties with the project after Russia invaded Ukraine. For centuries, astronomers have wondered about water on the moon, which is 100 times drier than the Sahara. Although major powers have all been probing it in recent years, no country has yet made a soft landing on the South Pole.